Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Wednesday, December 29th, 09:10 a.m. Good morning. Let's discuss blockchain stocks. For the past several years, several companies got listed on the stock market and identify themselves as blockchain stocks. Some companies that had already been listed on the stock market included in their business model calling themselves blockchain stocks, even though they offered different products or services, as well as some companies over the past years that blockchain stocks have been merged with other companies. Some have been delisted totally from stock exchanges. Some have changed from different stock exchanges to even worse stock exchanges. Pump and dump on so many of them. Example used to be down here in my past videos, if you look at, was the symbol Delta Papa Whiskey. They changed their company to NILE. You could join my Patreon and see what I just shared about that. Okay, let's start looking at the charts. We'll look at the weekly time frames. Each candlestick represents a week. Since today is Wednesday, the current week is not done. We are the last Wednesday of the year. I'm going to give you the symbols phonetically. If you don't know what that means, either use a search engine or join the military. Bravo, Delta, Romeo. We are record lows for the year. Currently for the week, already made a lower low than last week. Consider this garbage. Garbage. Yep. Not a good investment. Next, Bravo, India, Tango, Charlie, Foxtrot. Again, when you have 5 symbols and the 5th symbol is an F, that represents a company that's a foreign company. It's not traded. It's the corporate office, not in the United States. That alone does not make it a bad company or bad business model, just to help identify. So if your broker, who is AKA to make you broke, has not educated that with you, if your financial classes, economic classes in school didn't teach that to you, maybe they are broken too or working against you. Look at that. Nearly all zeros. Loser. Bravo, Lima, Kilo, Charlie, Foxtrot. Yep. Lows for the year. Not good. Bravo, Tango, Bravo, Tango. It's above $5. It's already made a higher high than last week. Way off the highs for the year. Terrible. Bravo, Tango, Charlie, Sierra. Okay, here's the high for the year. Down here for the year. We are not at the record lows for the year. But again, the trend is down. It's bearish. Not good. Bravo, Tango, Sierra, Charlie. Look at the high for the year. Pump and dump. Now we're almost near record lows for the year. There's a low for the year. A lot of pump and dump. Currently inside range last week. Haven't taken out the higher low. Charlie, Romeo, Charlie, Whiskey. That was last year's high. This year's high is here. And here we go. Huge consolidation below $5. Not good. November, India, Lima, Echo. Again, this company changed their stock symbol. The company name symbol was Delta Papa Whiskey. For years ago, it was all the way up there. Yep, that's over 120 bucks years ago. Now, lower low, all-time low for the year. Not good. Delta Sierra Sierra. High last year, the high this year, near record lows for the past year. Not good. Let's continue looking. And some of these stocks were good as investments, some were good as swing trades, and some were good for day trading. Majority of them are not good for any of those anymore. Foxtrot Tango, Foxtrot Tango. Here was the high for the year. Massive pump and dump. And then currently for the week, we're above the high of last week. Just holding above $1. Not good. Golf Bravo Tango Charlie. Yep, this green candle on the weekly chart, the whole body engulfed that candle. So that's called an engulfing pattern. Requires 2 candles minimum. Because it occurred on the bottom of a trend, it's sort of bullish engulfing candle. Got it? That's technical setup candlesticks. The current candle has made a higher high and higher low than last week. It's not done yet because it's only Wednesday, but we're already, like I mentioned, made a higher high, higher low than last week. We're back inside the range already of the other candle. That's bearish. You want to have a continuation. So if this closes green, this candle at the end of the week, above the high of last week or above the close of last week, then I would consider that a trigger to buy with a stop for money management, say below the low of the week. That's one trade setup and entry pattern. Got it? So we'll put a little arrow here, or maybe put a big arrow there, just to mention, and we'll see what happens. See what happens. Leave it like that. Actually put a white symbol there. Stand out. We'll see what happens again. Next time I'll come back to a review. Golf Romeo Oscar Whiskey. Yep, way below the high of the year. Much closer to the low of the year. Because again, last week was the low of the year. Now we're inside candle. Means we didn't take out the higher low of last week. So currently it's bearish. The whole trend is down. Not good. Mike Alpha Romeo Alpha. Look at that. Made a higher high, higher low than last week. But back inside the range of last week. Way off the highs. That's not good. Mike Golf Tango India. Wow. The high. All the way up there of this year, $298. Who bought up there? Who bought anywhere above $100? I mean, sorry, not $100. Who bought anywhere? It's pennies. Who bought anywhere and that high? Yep. Now just shy of record low for the year, or we are already at the record low for the year. Not good. Mike Sierra Tango Romeo. There's a high for the year. Red candle, back inside the range of last week. So here's a low for the year. Actually, that's the low for the year. Still, bad performer, massive distribution. This has been a supply zone, sellers up there. Yep, the sellers have been up here. But someone's buying up there, and they're taking a beating at a loss. Yep, not good. Romeo India Oscar Tango, another high flyer. Riot, now trading below $25. Again, this has been a demand zone in the past for buyers. Okay, so we'll see what happens if we're going to close above that high of last week, or at least above that close. And then that's a potential trade out there to be bullish for a swing trade or a day trade, not to invest long term. Leave on that one too. Yep. potential trade idea. Two of them I just showed. Excuse me. Sorry. Sierra, India. All over the place, not good for the year. Yep, it's an acceleration bearish. We are above the high of last week and already had sellers stepping in there. Not good. Sierra, Oscar, Sierra. There we go. That was originally at the low of the year. We are now at the low of the year. Way off the highs. Not good. Struggle, as most of them are the case. Not good. Okay. Let's look at the last few I still have left, because a lot of them that used to be in these grids are gone. Delisted. Knocked out. Sierra, Romeo, Alpha, X-ray. Wow. So since I mentioned it or shared it, I guess that was the last video maybe I made. Gotta double check my notes. I mentioned that was an inside candle and watch for a break above or below and look at broke below and close below. Huge impulse down. Bearish. Yep. So this is just a minor retracement. It's bearish. Not good. X-ray, November, Echo, Tango. Near record lows of the year. Not good. Wow. Charlie, Oscar, India, November. Coinbase did an IPO this year. It's an exchange for cryptocurrencies. Massive pump and dump scam. I don't know more about that. Join my Patreon, how that worked. But briefly, here is the IPO for the week. I mean, IPO when it went listed. That was the high. That was the low. That was the open. We're below the IPO price. Yep, that's bad. The company and the bankers that brought it public already made their money before even hit the pre-market. Sorry, before even hit the public market. So they made other money. They're done. They did very well for themselves. And everybody that's been buying it on the stock exchange and holding it has been losing. Yep, it's way bad performer. Bad phrase. Anyway, bad, not good. Yep. So you have this here. Again, a golfing golfing pattern. And it's a bullish one down here. So again, if this closes green above this, or close green above the close, that could be a trigger to buy. And then you do a swing trade or maybe a day trade. Good money management, not to invest long term or at least money management. Move your stop up. Why? Because it may be just a retracement of this. But again, plenty of people bought it as an investment. They're sitting holding it for a long time. And what happened? We already showed you many stocks never make it back up to their highs again. Bravo, India, Tango, Oscar. Yep, this also did an IPO this year. That was the week, all the way back there, pump and dump, and is already below the IPO price. Garbage. Not good. And a lot of people were sold a bunch of garbage and agreed that it was good garbage, so they bought it. Silly. Yeah. Okay, we're ended there. There's better investments than these out there. They're not buy and hold and marry these positions. They're for earning income. If they're not making income, divorce them. Get a better financial instrument.